everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Barcelona. I was waiting for the port to come because एक month में बट एक ही बार आता है Barcelona. So मैंने सोचा कब आएगा तो finally the day is here. I'm out and I don't know what's the agenda, but maybe I'm going to see some of the places and then I'll come back because I only have 2.5 hours to explore the place. Oh, so finally I can't believe I'm in Barcelona, but we started working like that day. The other day I came and I was walking to the Barcelona from the port and it was so far and I did the same mistake today as well. So the city is very far. I'm too tired, but hopefully I'll make it to the city. अरे सब कुछ दिख रहा है, तू तेरे पीछे पहाड़, आसमान, सब कुछ कर रहा था ना। बार्सिलोना वैसा नहीं है, शायद दूसरा जगह होगा। ये वाले रास्ते पे चले या फिर ये वाले। तो बार्सिलोना अभी घूम रहे हैं। हमने थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर किया, बैर सिटी देखा, थोड़ा और शायद देखेंगे। आज सुबह बारिश हुआ है, रास्ता थोड़ा The weather became cloudy and it started to rain, and we are in our way to La Sagrada Familia. It's pretty far from the port, so we need to book a cab. Finally, I have reached. We came here. We wanted to see this one, and I am with my colleagues. And it's pretty amazing. I mean, they are still constructing it. That is not finished on the top, as you can see. Still, there is a lot of work going on. But we're planning to go inside. Let's see. We will be able to go inside or not. But I'm very excited to be in Barcelona. Although I had night shift, I was not able to sleep at night, so I just come here after not sleeping. Like, I only sleep for 3 hours, then I come here, then probably I'll go back and I'll sleep when I'll be going back. But we are about to start our transit. I never told you that we're going to Dubai. Actually, in 7 days we are going to leave the Europe. So this is my last Barcelona and this is our last cruise, last week in Europe. So I am probably gonna visit all the other ports as well, like Sabona and all, because this is my last time it's going to be, and that's why I'm excited also to go to finally Dubai and meet friends of mine living in Dubai. So I'm very excited about that. So let's see all I can do today. We have less time as always, but we will go to some places. Okay, it started to rain now and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but the weather become very cloudy. The magnet is cheap, only €1. We're in this park where everybody is taking picture, everybody is and we have one guy also who is like very specified about his picture. There is always people like this and he is not satisfied with any picture at all, and it's getting colder, more colder. But anyway, I don't know what else to do here. So we are done here. We are going to the city now. My colleagues has gone to the washrooms. And, there is a lot of tourists. I actually hate tourist place. That's why I wanted to come here. I wanted to see Barcelona at least for one time, and I did. You know, when you really want something, that dream of yours always come true if you really work for it. And finally I'm here and I'm so grateful for being here finally. And yeah, it just feels amazing now to be in Barcelona finally, seeing this in front of my eyes. And there is nothing could be better than this actually. And yeah, I'm just really thankful and grateful for having this amazing life. Although it's hard sometimes, but that's okay. I think it's worth it for me, because I really like to travel. I really wanted to travel for like last 24 years of my life, and I finally get to do that just because of this job. And for that I'm really grateful. So we are taking a lot of picture with Casa La Sagrada. We are not going inside, unfortunately. You're not afraid, see? Too many. Yeah, in India, no, they're very afraid here. They don't care of humans. We are finished here. We are now going back to the ship again. बार्सिलोना मुझे खास करके मतलब इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगता क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ देखने लायक है नहीं. मतलब बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑल आर ओके बट नॉट दैट ग्रेट. But other place I think more interesting. But nonetheless it's a very popular place to visit. There is a lot of tourists, as I already told you. अभी हम लोग बस वापस जा रहे हैं. But it was a good excursion. We had a lot of time, so we didn't hurry or anything. And yeah, everything was great. I saw the cathedral and yeah, that was all I wanted to see. So I hope I'll see you next time. And till that, bye bye.